Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Is it? It's funny though, because my partner.
Racing stripes, so I may do a hood wrap on my 4Runner.
Hey, man, my partner, like when I be shooting content, he like, I don't know, man, we need to have scripted lines. I'm like, then it won't be genuine. You know what I mean? It's not like, you know how people hit the act? You know how when they used to do the little thing back in the day where they snap it?
Yeah.
It's like, dog, it ain't got to be professional. That's the beauty about YouTube. So what we doing right here, man? What you doing?
So we're just gonna cut these out by hand. Normally what I would do is use knifeless tape, but it's quicker to do this.
It's gonna be more precise.
Well, more precise, and you're cutting down your time really in half.
Mm-hmm.
When you do it.
So is this a plotter too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
this an old school plotter?
Very old, yeah. They don't even make these plotters anymore. This is like the Toyota of plotters, though.
Okay.
It will last forever.
Mm-hmm.
So
low maintenance and stuff.
there's like no maintenance at all.
So why did y'all get the newer one?
Bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
y'all got a lot of stuff done with this one.
We've been told like we could sell this thing for like $2 to $3 grand. People like window tinters love this machine. This is like their favorite machine to buy.
Okay.
So I got lucky. I did a job and I bartered it out for this basically.
Mm-hmm. Y'all boys some hustlers,
Yeah,
man.
actually, yeah, he kind of just gave it to me. And real honestly, he was like, "Oh, you need a plotter? I got this one, and it's taking up space. You can have it. Take it home with you."
That's cool.
Yeah, and I was like, "All right, cool."
You know exactly what to do with it.
Yeah. Yeah, and at the moment, he wasn't even really for sure if it even worked. And I took it to a shop that works on these, and they were like, "Yeah, this thing's perfectly fine, but just put a new blade in it and put a new wheel at the bottom."
That's it.
Yeah, that was all I had to do.
So right now, it's just like measuring it out?
No, that's cutting it right now.
So it's cutting it?
Mm-hmm.
So these don't seem like these gonna be no basic stripes.
Yeah, these are just your basic solid stripes, all this is.
Okay. See, I thought it was gonna be like the ones with the Chevelle, where it's, you know, it's like double.
So those are rally stripes. No,
Rally
these
stripes.
are dual racing stripes. But no one really does rally stripes anymore.
I just love them on the Chevelle, though. It's just...
Yeah.
I mean, there ain't much.
Man, Evan, what's up, man? This is my guy right here, man. All my YouTubers, man. Hey, y'all go and follow the page. Shout them out, Evan, man. What is it? Texas Rapper Detail on Instagram.
Yeah.
Y'all not all that active on Facebook. I think you're more active on Instagram.
No, it's tight. Anytime I upload to Instagram,
Yeah.
it just automatically.
You ain't been seeing all the
uploads to
videos
Facebook.
I've been uploading and
Yeah, I
tagging
saw
y'all
them over the
in?
weekend. I saw the reviews.
What you think? What you think?
No, I like them.
The video's pretty dope?
Yeah.
Clint, you seen them?
I haven't seen it, dude. I spent
You never I see. I don't get on Instagram either. I just
Yeah.
post and then it automatically posts
Yeah.
to Facebook.
I went camping and then I took my oldest on 3, 4 soccer games this weekend.
Man.
And that's all I did was soccer. It was awesome.
Man, we know how you love soccer.
Oh yeah.
Just outdoors in general, man. I hate being in the house on a good day. Like everybody like, what you doing on Sunday? I'm outside. I don't care what I'm doing as long as I'm not in the house.
Yeah, dude. They give you a little fucking braided wire for an animal removal. So you scratch the fuck out of your thing. Yeah. Fucking kill somebody.
Hey, how did that Porsche come out, man? Whew, how long did it take for you to peel that clear wrap off? That PPF?
It took us a couple hours.
It looked like that was gonna be like a 3-4 day
I mean,
thing.
you're scratching the shit out of it to remove it.
Yeah.
So.
But it came out good though in the end.
I didn't. We didn't put any deep scratches in it. Didn't even have to sand it down.
Mm-hmm.
Wouldn't have mattered. I almost did it anyways just to do it. But yeah, it came out great. He loved it. He said it looked like a totally different car, which is good.
Mm-hmm. So you going panel by panel on these stripes? All right.
Yeah, because it won't fit in the blotter. After it's all said and done, it's running at 23.4 inches.
Mm-hmm.
And that'll be close to 50. This thing can only be.
That's so crazy because it's a brand new car and I'm already seeing dents in it, but it's black.
I'm waiting out the door game.
Yeah.
He's like, man, how'd that happen? He puts his leg out and he's like, man, that was me. And I was like, really? He's like, yeah. He's like, I was at the gas station. It's a brand new car. It's just the last time I fucking. He was like, I just nicked it. I was like, oh, that's the worst, man. He goes, yeah, when you do it yourself, yeah, it's the worst.
I got a few of them on mine. Man, this is a beautiful car though. So where do the 1LE, is this like supposed to be better than the SS, but not quite a ZL1 because it got that ZL1 hood?
The ZL1's going to come with a supercharger.
Yeah.
But I think this one has like
Brakes, suspension.
I guess the ground graphics.
Man.
Yeah, it has a splitter in the spoiler.
Which I'm digging this spoiler to be quite honest.
I'm just looking at a lot of people putting them big ass like fins on the back and the rods with the splitter on the front. It looks good on some cars. I don't really care for all the fins on the back though.
No, I don't. I can't stand when people do that to like atrocious.
I don't know, man. All of a sudden now I got Corvette fever.
Ooh, this thing's got shit. I went ahead and said that okay.
Straight from dealership to y'all shop, huh? Pretty much.
He owns a driving class.
Okay.
Yeah. So you'll buy a vehicle and you want to learn how to drive it.
Mhm.
So you'll enter into his class. He'll do like Crescent or Eagle Mountain Lake, and he'll teach you how to like really drive it. It's kind of cool.
Mm-hmm. So right now you just hitting with just alcohol, just getting all the anything that could be under any contaminants, pretty
Yeah.
much. It's crazy though that it came gloss flat black from the dealership, man. That's crazy to me.
Oh yeah, 1 LE SS, that's what it comes with.
So the 1 LE is above the 2 SS.
I believe so. I believe so. No.
So he took his measurements, he put the laser on there, and as y'all can see, he taped it off. And he said, we're just gonna go ahead and lay it. These are stripes right here. Nice and straight.
I'm just gonna let it be. Apparently we can change it if it needs to.
Y'all gonna do the racing number today, or that'll be another day?
I'll probably do that tomorrow.
Man, I just start eating at this gyro spot down there by the shop where I'm at, man, and man,
Is it good?
pretty good. Yeah, it's called Moles. Gyro, I'll be always saying it wrong, but yeah, it's pretty fresh. I don't know what a lot of that stuff is on that menu though.
It's supposed to be lamb.
No, but I'm talking about like, they like charma or something like that. It just got a lot of stuff I'm not familiar with. You know, I don't go too crazy. It's fresh. Mm-hmm. Got this one.
Yeah.
I saw the little one playing soccer the other day on Facebook.
They had her on goalie, so I don't want her playing goalie.
You don't?
I don't know. It's expensive. Yeah.
It's expensive for gold?
Yeah, all the oh shit, dude, that thing pops up, not out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it pops up, not out.
Uh-oh. See? Running over and fucking up. It go this way. There you go.
There it is, yeah.
Oh, man. It's way more work than what you was expecting.
Film may be holding it down.
Just a hair. No. Hold on.
Like little slips in it or something?
Yeah. Yeah, now I can hear it.
Man, so man, I just left doing the wrap shop, man. As y'all can see, man, they was teaching me how to lay stripes today. Man, it's a lot more to it than what I was thinking. On a car like an old school car like this, it would be a lot easier, I feel like, because the headliner, especially on this car, is smaller and everything. But I think it's just based off every car is gonna have its own problems. And with today on that new Camaro, getting that little spoiler thing down, that what they was having an issue with. So I'm just learning, just being a sponge, soaking it up. Finally came over here to my storage, and I'm just getting a lot of stuff out. And man, we didn't got to this point right here. So the car is still in here, and I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna keep this or not. You know, I'm trying to keep up with everything. I'm gonna throw that inside the truck, probably on the floors. The floorboard, probably throw that on the floorboard. Cause this is like them brackets I just took off. Yeah, and all the stuff for the motor mounts. And stuff like that. And so, got a few more things to grab. I'm gonna go ahead and grab today. I'm gonna grab the plastic. I'm just grabbing a lot of the shop stuff. I don't know, even though I just be big on keeping it organized. That'd be me. Like keeping everything organized and as neat as possible. I just feel like that helps with efficiency. But I'm seeing on everybody's Monte Carlo, when they take off the AC box, that whole thing right there is missing. So I'm like, man, just been thinking about it day in and day out. And I was like, man, well, hell, if I want to go back with the AC box and I just put a plate on it and just rock it how it is until I can figure out the AC situation and just focus on the motor and my drivetrain. I don't know, man. I go back and forth. I don't know where my I got that. I think I got the AC box. I might have left it. Hell, I don't even remember. But we know we're not going back with what's on there. If we're gonna put anything, you know, we're gonna put that vintage air. So I'm really thinking about that vintage air. Go ahead and make sure all this is gonna be off, so I'm gonna be good. I'll remember all that. I'm just trying to keep everything with the car, for the car, with the car. So I'm gonna go down here to my other storage. So I'm probably gonna use that blanket, put this on here like how I did when I brought it. And then I'm probably just gonna spread this out on the seats in the truck and just let the front seat back or something like that. Cause I really don't like having a lot of stuff on the back of the truck. Just looking at this shit. It's going inside the truck. I'm thinking about putting this probably in the back, securing it down real good. But I'm gonna load this stuff up. We're gonna get to the other storage and see what I can do, because my goal is to go ahead and shut both of them down ultimately. But I'm probably gonna hold on to the other one for a little bit longer until I get some things worked out. But this car is definitely gotta get to the shop. And then the compressor. So I gotta figure out the compressor situation next. And that's really gonna be the determining factor for me shutting down my storage. But man, let me go ahead and load the rest of this stuff up. We'll get to our storage and see what it's looking like, and then give it to the shop, and I'll start setting everything up a little bit by little, man. Y'all stay tuned. So, as y'all can see, I still haven't got the lights cut on. For the money they trying to charge, man, yeah, I think it's gonna be a minute before I get them lights cut on, man. No, honestly, man, just because a $350 deposit, man, it's kind of steep. So I see there's 3 lights. I definitely know there's not enough side lighting. So we will definitely have to address the side lighting issue, but we'll get to that when we get to it. The main thing right now is getting electricity in the building, and then I'll let the electrician and everything deal with that stuff later. So came, did what I could today. It's time to call it a wrap. I got like a couple more errands to run, but I really don't be having y'all with me when I'm just doing everyday stuff. You mean I can make vlogs every day, but would it be interesting? Would I enjoy watching them? No, so I just try to make really dope content. If y'all been watching, y'all been supporting, if y'all subscribed, if y'all comment, all that stuff is greatly appreciated as I grow my business and grow this channel. But y'all stay tuned, I got way more lit content coming. But y'all gotta stay locked in. I'm gonna catch y'all next time.